Here we see the Nokia 5110 LCD panel connected to the Texas Instruments Launchpad TM4C123. The connections are described below this video. Here we see a close-up of the LCD panel itself. The resolution is 84 by 48, which is fairly low, but at normal viewing distances the images are surprisingly good. Here we see the different graphics that can be drawn using this library, the LCD 5110 SPI. We press switch 2 on the Launchpad to see each section in turn. Text can be in 3 fonts. This is font 0. Text can be printed anywhere on screen. The coordinates can be, as for all the graphics, 0 to 84 in the X direction and 0 to 48 on the Y direction. Here is font 1, which is twice the size of font 0. Here is font 2, which is a small font and can be useful in some circumstances. Here are some of the graphics that can be drawn. For all the graphics, draw means draw in black on a white background. Clear means draw in white on a black background. Here's an example. Here we draw a V line, a vertical line, H line, horizontal line, and just line, which is diagonal, in black on a white background. Here we clear the same lines, which means that we're drawing in white on a black background. Here we see examples of drawing a rectangle. We draw an outline, a fill, and then we clear an outline and clear a fill. Similarly, we have a rounded cornered rectangle with exactly the same commands. Again, for a circle. And an ellipse. And of course, bitmaps can be drawn and cleared. And that's the end of the library. To see the commands again, just press reset. Okay, here's the Pacman game. You press switch 2. You have to steer the Pacman to pick up all the dots. Press switch 1 to turn left, press switch 2 to turn right. Each dot is worth 10 points, but every 10 seconds you lose 10 times the level number in your score. So the quicker you finish a grid, the more score you'll have. And the trick is to finish all 8 levels with a score above 0. Here we go. The switches only turn the Pacman character when you're in the correct column or the correct row. For the first few levels, the barriers make sure you're always in the correct row or column. So it's quite easy. Again, level 2 is quite easy. Using switch 1 to turn left and switch 2 to turn right. But the barriers always ensure that you stop in the right place in order to turn. Level 3, again, quite easy. The first 3 levels give you a chance to accumulate points, because you're going to lose them quite quickly in levels 7 and 8 especially. Level 4 is the first time. There's one place where you have to time where you press the switch exactly right, here, there. There was no guide to tell you where to turn then. That's the only place in this level. The rest, you're guided around as with the previous levels. In the beginning here, it's still okay, you're still guided around by the barriers. You may want to turn here. Turn the wrong way. I failed there, so we'll go along the bottom. I want to turn there, missed. There. It's quite difficult to know exactly where to press when the barriers haven't stopped you. Here there are several places where you've got to time pressing the switch. Here. Missed. There. 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 Missed the one on the bottom. Press now. Missed it. Missed it again. There we go. Got it through at last. Level 7, you can only gain 10 points because there's only one dot, but you're going to lose 70 points for every 10 seconds you take. Usually take over 20 seconds, so you're going to lose 140 points and only gain 10. And this is a really difficult one. Missed that one again. You'll see the score go down by 80 points for every 10 seconds that passes. Missed again. Again. Yes. We finished with a positive score. Reset to play again.